Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will explain the trades and the logic we use for providing signals in both our VIP group and free group. All the signals are free of cost. If you want to avail them, you can text us on Telegram. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. Let's move on to the video. This was the first trade on GBP USD for a call side move in the free group. As you can see, the green candle engulfed the previous red candle. After that, another red candle was formed, creating a continuation pattern. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was a clean win. Now, moving on to the next trade, which we provided on AUDCHF for a downside move in the VIP group. Here you can see the last candle left a wick on the downside and filled the previous candle's wick. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move. There was also a resistance level, and this trade was a clean win. Next, moving on to another trade on AUDCHF for a call side move. You can see a strong uptrend. If you notice carefully, there was also a trend line and a moving average. We took entry at the moving average, and this was also a clean win. So we won 3 non-martingale trades in this session. If you want to avail the trades, you can text us on Telegram at BBinary Support. The link is also available in the description. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts about the video. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment them down below. Till then, see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.